Hello, welcome to Code Sci-Fi. In this tutorial, we will discuss about input in Angular. Open the hello.component.ts file. You can see we are importing a component named input from Angular/core. An input get property is a settable property annotated with an add_input decorator. Values flow into the property when it is data bound with a property binding. Here, we declare a property name as an input using the add_input decorator, and the type is a string. On the template of the hello testing, the property name is used inside the double brackets, which evaluate any expressions inside them. Since name is basically a variable, the result of the expression is essentially the name's value. On the browser, you can see the text "Hi Angular 5" and Angular 5 is the value of the property name. Wait, where is the value of the property name from? Remember, name is a settable property, which means this component gets the input from its user. Open the file app.component.html and you can find the hello testing component. Here, the directive name will get the value of the expression inside the double brackets, which is also a property name of the Hello World app component. Open the file app.component.ts and you should find that property is just a string Angular 5. Naming both properties as name is pretty confusing. Let's change the property name of the hello testing component to a different name. Oops, it breaks the app. It's because we have broken the tie between the declaration and the variable names used in the template, and we must fix them. Let's update the name to test name here too. Open the app.component.ts to fix the directive name to test name. Yay, it works. To make it clearer, let's not use the property name of the Hello World app. Let's put some expression inside the double brackets instead. There we go, it's saying hi 2 now, because 1 plus 1 is 2 in the template. This is a little introduction to the add_input decorator and a bit of data binding in Angular. I hope it's helpful to you. Please let us know if you have any questions.